is Stacia. I got my Master of Public Policy, and my track was Research Design. I graduated in 2022. Right now, I'm a policy analyst, so I am doing exactly what I went to school for. I was extremely intentional. So my degree at Carsey and the track that I chose at Carsey totally prepared me for what I'm doing right now. My electives, I made sure I was taking like project management, writing for intelligence products, which really helped me like hone my skill. And my favorite experience throughout my degree here was going on the trip to Washington, D.C. And I really love national security, even though I'm not in that field right now. I love national security. So like the best thing of my life was meeting Jake Sullivan, the National Security Advisor, and sitting next to him and asking him questions. That was the best experience. Like getting to meet the people that you read about in like your policy initiatives. You read about they're writing the policy, they're making the policy, and then you're going and you're meeting them. And that was like super cool. Someone who really helped me was my advisor, my academic advisor, Carolyn Arcand, and not just her advising, but the classes she taught. So in her Intro to Policy class, she taught about survey building and survey design. And I actually used that, and I referred back to those slides to build a survey that was nationally sent to people that use all of our statistics products. So I built my survey based on her class. And then Jess Carson, she teaches the statistics class. I still refer back to her for code, like, hey, how do I use this code to find out this mean population? So even after you leave Carsey School, the professors are still available for you to reach out to. They're part of your network. One of the most valuable things about Carsey School is the network. Even after going on the DC trip, there were a couple of people that we met and talked to that I was interested in learning more about. And I Zoom called them, emailed them. I asked them like about their industry that they worked in, how they got into it. So the network is really there to help you professionally grow and develop. Another reason one should consider coming to the Carsey School of Public Policy is because of the fellowships. There is a fellowship for you. And don't be afraid to apply, just apply. Put it out there and you'll likely get it. I had to cut back my hours working because of grad school, but fortunately the fellowship provided a stipend, which allowed me to focus more on my studies. It helped me also dive into data that you're not typically diving into. No one is going through line by line of the federal budget or accessing the OMB budgets. So doing a fellowship will help you develop your hard skills in accordance with or in connection to the policy initiative you're driving towards.